Hi everyone, welcome to PTE Language, where we'll be focusing on one of the trickiest sections, reorder paragraph on the PTE. If you have ever struggled to figure out which sentence goes where, don't worry, I've got you. In this video, we'll break it down with examples, tips and strategies. Whether you are a beginner or aiming for good score, stay with me for the next 10 minutes to master this. Hi, this is Sridhar, your trusted PTE success coach. If you're aiming for a good score on the PTE but finding it challenging, join my comprehensive online paid course. You will find my contact number on the description below. Feel free to call or WhatsApp me. I'll be happy to guide you towards achieving your target score on your very first attempt. Please watch this power-packed video till the end, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. Strategy number 1. Finding the topic sentence plus pronoun link. So here what we see is she became one of the most influential female scientists in history. Marie Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Her pioneering work in radioactivity opened doors for future research. In addition to her discoveries, she also broke many gender barriers in science. This recognition marked a turning point in her career. First, we have to find out the topic sentence. Here, Marie Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize looks like a topic sentence, followed by pronoun link. She became one of the most influential female scientists in history. Her pioneering work in radioactivity opened doors for future research. This recognition marked a turning point in her career. In addition to her discoveries, she also broke many gender barriers in science. Okay, so the topic sentence is B. Pronoun link would be A because it's followed by Marie Curie and she. Pairing with C, of course, here expands on her scientific work, and this refers to something already said in E. Connector D uses in addition. So additional info is given to close the paragraph. Strategy number 2, chronological clues plus connectors. Let us look at the jumbled up sentences. A, this led to the creation of the first programmable computer. B, in the past, calculations had to be done manually or with mechanical tools. C, the development of electronic components changed the computing world forever. D, later, transistors replaced vacuum tubes, making computers more efficient. E, initially, computers were massive and used vacuum tubes. B looks like a topic sentence. In the past, calculations had to be done manually or with mechanical tools. Then E, initially computers were massive and used vacuum tubes. And then C, the development of electronic components changed the computing world forever. A, this led to the creation of the first programmable computer. D, later transistors replaced vacuum tubes, making computers more efficient. The correct order would be B, E, C, A, D. Let's look at the strategical breakdown. Chronological clue. B in the past hints at early times. E follows as the initial state of computers. C introduces the shift due to electronics. A is the direct result. This led to link to C. D starts with later final development. Strategy number 3, topic sentence plus pairing plus article reference. Here the topic sentence would be, fitness trackers have become a staple in the modern wellness industry. The device not only tracks physical activity, but also monitors sleep and heart rate. The device is lightweight, water resistant, and has a long battery life. It syncs with a smartphone app, providing users with detailed insights. These features have made it extremely popular among health-conscious users. Let us see the correct order. C-A-E-D-B. You'll only get score for the pairs. Strategy breakdown. Topic sentence. C introduces subject broadly, fitness trackers, no reference to prior info, pairing with A and E, describe features of device, natural flow. The device is repeated, so links A, E, and D logically. All right, and B concludes with the result. These features refers to A, E, and D. All right, let's look at strategy number 4, connectors plus cause and effect. Let us look at the jumbled up sentence. Here the topic sentence is the oil spill in the coastal region caused massive environmental challenge. Several marine species were endangered due to the contamination. As a result, thousands of people lost access to clean drinking water. In response, the government launched an emergency cleanup operation. However, many experts believe the long-term impact is still unknown. The correct order is B, C, A, D, E. The topic sentence, B introduces the event oil spill, no prior reference. Cause-effect pair would be damage, endangered species. Connector A starts with as a result, and then the chronology shows response action, which is the D. Contrast connector would be however, which closes the paragraph. Let's look at the jumbled up sentence. Nelson Mandela looks like the topic sentence. Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 27 years for his role in opposing apartheid. During his time in prison, he wrote extensively and inspired many through his letters. He later became the first Black president of South Africa in 1994. His leadership was marked by efforts to reconcile a divided nation. His resilience and commitment made him a symbol of peace and justice worldwide. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is Sridhar signing off from PTE Language Institute. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.